Yes, people, what we saying? Today we are going to Infinity Motorcycles in Camberley. We've just been to Newlands Corner, just met up with a few of the guys, and we're now making our way down to Infinity Motorcycles. Just have a little browse, see what's there, if any items I need to pick up. I'm looking at a new helmet. I'm just looking at some options at the moment, so yeah, we'll go there, see what's happening, and yeah, hopefully I don't spend too much money. But yeah, we got I'll run through the bikes that we got. We got an R6 at the back. I think it's MT-10 behind us, and the GSX-8S behind us. So in front of us, I mean. So yeah, we're gonna make our way down there, and yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy the video. So yeah, let's quickly talk about my summer plans and what to expect, I guess, from the channel in the future. So at the moment I'm doing my A levels, so it finishes in about a week and a half. So after that, I should have a lot more free time, be able to dedicate my time more to making videos, just going out on the bike in general. And yeah, I'll have more time to improve the quality of the videos. So hopefully you'll see that, I guess, in the future. But I'm not struggling, but at the moment well, yeah, I am kind of struggling for ideas at the moment for videos. So yeah, if you've got any suggestions, just let me know. That's a lovely bike. The one behind me is the loud one, the R6. I think it's got Black Widow exhaust installed on it. It is loud, no baffling in it as well. It sounds lovely. I don't know if you can hear it through the camera. It sounds lovely. So we're on the A3 right now. I think we're going Hogs Back, if you know that area. We're going there, and then we're going down to Camberley to go to where we need to go. But these bikes just sound so nice. Like, I can't wait to get a bigger bike when I do my A2. I just can't wait to get a bigger bike, not just the power, but the sound of the exhaust and everything like that. It's going to be fun. That's what it's going to be. It's going to be very fun. So yeah. I don't think he likes being overtaken. He's overtaken us twice. No, yeah, that's twice now. And he just pulls into the left lane. Then when he gets overtaken, does again. Some drivers are like that, man. It's just, they don't like being beaten on the roads. Don't like being overtaken. Mind you, if I was overtaken by 125, I'd be pretty annoyed about it as well. Jesus Christ, he's going fast. Right, so we've just gone to Infinity Motorcycles. I didn't buy anything. I was looking at the Cardos because I do need to get a better intercom system. But yeah, so we're now making our way to Blackbush Airport to go get a bit of grub. It's literally 5 minutes away, so. Yeah, it's 4 of us again. Bikes everywhere today. Right, now just got some fuel. Less than 10 quid for pretty much a full tank. Decent. Yeah, so just been to Blackbush Airport. Didn't film any of it unfortunately, but we are now off to Rikers. So I think it's about a 40-minute ride. So we've got, just run through the bikes, got the R6 here, the Black Widow exhaust. Looking very nice. GSX8S. And the MT-10 over there. So yeah. Oh, looking very nice. Reset the trip. Right, so that's going to be the end of the video, guys. I didn't film much of it today, so I'm sorry, but I'll try and, everything that I did film, I'll try and make sure it's all good for the video. So yeah, if you wouldn't mind, you know, giving the video a like, hit the subscribe button, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.